Hi everyone. I'm going to do a little flip cup here with some folk art chalk paint. I'm going to try. So I have some mixed already. This is mixed 50-50 with floetrol. And then I use my Artist Loft 50-50 with floetrol. And then I mix the two together 50-50. So we'll see how it goes with a flip cup. I'm just painting over an old canvas. All right, I'm going to put some in the bottom. And I'm just going to use what I have already mixed. Some random colors here. This is cobalt blue. I haven't done flip cups for a long time. Have I ever? This is magenta. And I think I should do one more color. One more color. How about some gold? Gold goes with everything. Now I'm going to pour this again. Just going to let it go in and sink. Maybe some more blue. And probably some more magenta. I don't have any silicone in here, so we'll see how it turns out. I might just give it a little stir like that. I want to make sure it all comes down. All right. Swirl this around. I'm gonna get my little tray. I have a tray that I like to pour my drips in. might have had a little too much white, but we'll see what happens. Never tried this before. Some cool looking colors. Well, I don't know how to get this cloudy effect going, but if I should torch it. Looks pretty cool. See if I can move it around a bit, see what happens. I really don't like all that white over top of these colors. Should I do a balloon smash? Oh, it would really bring out those colors in the bottom, I betcha. What the heck? What can it hurt? What can it hurt? This is just a tiny canvas, so I won't get very many smashes on here. I'm not a fan of this, really. So let's see what happens. I don't have any. Looks prettier already. that chalk paint's not really doing me any favors tonight. But it's making a nice balloon smash. See how the colors underneath look? Beautiful. I've seen other chalk paint pours and they look awesome. I don't know what I'm doing wrong, but I'll figure it out. I think it's pretty. Those pretty colors were hiding underneath. That's why I had to get them out. I had to show them. That's probably all the smashes I can get. Makes it a little different center. That's pretty. That's pretty. They're all pretty. I was going to do one again, but I don't know. Maybe I better leave it. There, look how pretty that is. I like it, and I'm going to keep it. So my flip cup with chalk paint wasn't too nice, so now it's really pretty. I made it bloom. That's what I did. I made it bloom. Thanks for coming by. And come back to my art room and check out more of my videos. Check the description below and you'll see a link to our Facebook group that I started with my sisters. Acrylic art pouring friends. All right, have a great day. Bye. Okay, here's my balloon smash. It dried fine. There's a little bit of creases there, but I think that's because there was a painting underneath it. But it's really cute and pretty. The centers of those flowers are really nice. All right, there you go, dried results. Thanks for watching.